Good day, kids. Welcome to another math adventure. Today we are going to learn about expanded form. We are still on Unit 1 where we learn numbers up to 1000 and we will be studying expanded form. Before we go through our topic for today, let's have a review. Remember we studied about Arabic numbers and place value. Let's begin. Turn your book on page 3 and find the number which is next to 27. Please encircle the number that is next to 27. Next, find the number that is after 100. Find the number that is after 100. Next, find the number that is before 106. Find the number that is before 106. Next, find the number that is after 112. Find the number that is after 112. Next, find the number that is after 118. Find the number that is after 118. Find the number that is between 193 and 195. Find the number that is between 193 and 195. Find the number that is after 201. Find the number that is after 201. Find the number that is before 218. Find the number that is before 218. Find the number that is after 991. Find the number that is after 991. Find the number that is before 972. Find the number that is before 972. Next, find the number that is between 975 and 977. Find the number that is between 975 and 977. Lastly, find the number that is before 990. find the number that is before 990. Let's try to look at your answers if they're all correct. See if we have the same answer, and if we don't, please correct your mistakes for your future reference. Practice your number on this part so you will not have a hard time next lesson. Now this time, what is the missing number? Are you ready? 411 blank, 413, 414. What is the missing number? Right, 412. Good job. Next, what is the missing number? Blank, 832, 833, 834. Right, it's 831. What is the missing number? 775, 776, blank, 778. Correct, 777. Next, what is the missing number? 110, blank, 112, 113. Yes, you're right. It's 111. Lastly, what is the missing number? Blank, 800, 801, 802. Absolutely, it's 799. Good job, everyone. Now let's move to the next. Let's talk about place value from our previous lesson. Let's see if you can still remember. Tell me, what number is this? We have 4 beads on the hundreds, 3 beads on tens, and we have 8 beads on ones. What number are we looking for? Seven beads on ones. What number are we looking for? 437. Yes, you're right. We are looking for 437. Next. What number are we looking for? We have 8 beads for hundreds, we have no beads for tens, and we have 9 beads for ones. We're looking for 809. Raise. Yes, that is correct. We're looking for 809. Next. What number are we looking for? We have 2 beads for hundreds, no beads for tens, 2 beads for ones. We're looking for 202. Right, 202. Great job. Next, what number are we looking for? We have 1 bid. We have 1 bid in all the places. 1 bid for hundreds, 1 bid for tens, and 1 bid for ones. What number we are looking for? 100, 10, and 1. Yes, that is correct. We're looking for 111. Good job. How about this? What number we can find in here? We have 3 bits and hundreds, 4 bits and tens, and no bits and ones. Yes, 340. Great, that is the correct answer. Next, what number we're looking for? On this illustration, we have 5 bits and hundreds, 5 bits and tens, and 5 bits and ones. Exactly, we have 555. Now, let me ask you, what is the value of 5 in the hundreds? What is the value of 5 on the tens and 5 on ones? Exactly, we have 550 for tens and 5 for ones. How about in this illustration? What is the value of 1 bit in hundreds and 8 bits on the tens? Absolutely, 180. And since we don't have bits on the ones, then we will think it's 0. Now this time, number in words are 960. What number we are going to put on hundreds? Number in words 960. Now let's try to put the numbers on its place. We have 9 for hundreds, 6 for tens, and 0 for ones. Because we have 960, it means that we don't have digits for ones except for 0. And when we are going to put value in each digit, we have 960 and 0. Take a look at this another example. 302, we have 3 on the hundreds, 0 on tens, and 2 on ones. And when we are going to put values in each number, we have 300, 0, and 2. 300 plus 0 and plus 2. On this part, it will lead us to our next lesson, which is expanded form. We call this expanded form. Take a look at the expanded form. We put the value in each digit. Now, let's try to practice. For this example of expanded form, you may go to page 19 of your textbook and fill in the numbers in the expanded form from letter A to letter J. Write the following numbers in the expanded form. So first we have 291. We get first what's in the hundreds, and then tens, and then ones. In this number we have 2 for hundreds, so we are going to write 200. And then we have 9 for the tens, so therefore we write plus 90. And for the ones we have 1, so just retain the number 1. And there you go. We have the expanded form 200 plus 90 plus 1. And I wanted you to do the same on the next given number. Let's see. 847. How are you going to write this in the expanded form? Again, get the number on the hundreds, which is 8, So you write there 800. Then you take the number on the tens, which is 4 in this case. So we write 40. So we have now 800 plus 40. And of course, we have the number on the ones, which is 7. You just copy 7 at the end. So we have 800 plus 40 plus 7. There you go. We have now the expanded form. Then we have the number 913. How are you going to write the expanded form of 913? Yes, we have 9 for hundreds, so we write 900. We have 1 for tens, so we write 10, and 3 for ones, so we copy 3. And this is the expanded form, 900 plus 10 plus 3. Next, 389. Look for the number on the hundreds. We have 300 on this case. On the tens, we have 80, and ones, we have 9. So your expanded form should be 300 plus 80 plus 9. After you practice from your textbook, you get your workbook and go to page 12. Answer exercise 4, numbers 1 and 2. For this part, after you've answered all of the items from exercise 4, you take a photo with your final answers and send it to our group chat. Good luck everyone, goodbye, and see you for our next class.